Your typical nut and bolt are commonly used to join parts together. However, for bolt diameters over 1 inch, it becomes increasingly difficult to create enough bolt load using torque tightening methods to tighten or loosen the bolt. To overcome this major challenge, a multitude of bolting methods are available on the market today. Unfortunately, these can lead to serious problems, including worker injuries, inaccurate preloads, thread galling, difficult removal, equipment cost, and excessive downtime. Superbolt tensioners allow you to achieve high preloads while only using simple hand tools. They're designed as direct replacements for hex or other standard nuts and bolts and offer a huge mechanical advantage. Since only hand tools are needed, worker safety is greatly increased. They also maintain the clamping force, preventing bolt loosening. With Superbolt tensioners, it's easy to maintain accurate preload control, which is essential for critical applications. They also tighten in pure tension, eliminating unwanted torsion on the main bolt. Customers all over the world and in every major industry are enjoying the benefits of our bolting products.